English to Pashto short sentences. Stay away from this car. د دې موټر نه لرې اوسه. Stay away from this car. When will we meet again? بیا به کله میلاویږو. When will we meet again? Don't walk barefoot. خپې ابله خپې مزه. Don't walk barefoot. Don't abuse him. هغه ته کنځل مه کوه. Don't abuse him. It's very kind of you. دا ستا مهرباني ده. It's very kind of you. I have been out since morning. زه د سحر راسی بهر یم. I have been out since morning. The tire of the car burst. د موټر ټایر وډزید. The tire of the car burst. How are things going? هر څه څنګه روان دي. How are things going? You did fairly well. تا ډیر ښه وکړو. You did fairly well. Never mind. هیڅ خبره نه ده. Never mind. Not the least. لږ شانتي هم نه. Not the least. Just coming. زه اوس راځم. Just coming. How dare he. د هغه دومره همت. How dare he. Work wholeheartedly. د زړه نه کار کوه. Work wholeheartedly. Walk cautiously. په احتیاط سره ځه. Walk cautiously. I waited long for you. ما ستا ډیر انتظار وکړو. I waited long for you. When will I see you again? بیا به کله میلاویږو. When will I see you again? It's chilly today. نن لږه یخني ده. It's chilly today. I am hurt. زه خوږ شوی یم. I am hurt. I just get ready. زه ای دی وس تیاریږم. I just get ready. You are getting late. پتا ناوخته کیږي. You are getting late. I woke up a little late today. زه نن لږ ناوخته پاسېدم. I woke up a little late today. As soon as possible. چې څومره زر یي. As soon as possible. I am good at math. زه په حساب کې ښه یم. I am good at math. Avarice is root of all evils. لالچ بده بلا ده. Avarice is root of all evils. Speak one's heart out. په کولاو زړه خبرې کول. Speak one's heart out. Not any longer. نور سیوا نه. Not any longer. But no longer now. was نور نه. But no longer now. Bake the chapatis. روټۍ پهې کا. Bake the chapatis. Food was excellent. خوراک ډیر مزهناک و. Food was excellent. I will call you tomorrow. زه به درته سبا کال وکم. I will call you tomorrow. Don't prattle. بک بک مکوا. Don't prattle. I will not spare you. زبتا پری ندم. I will not spare you. No offense. بدی مگنا. No offense. یا پزانی بد ملگوا. Never ever. هیچ چرینا. Never ever. Here I am. دا دې زراغلم. Here I am. Apart from this. د دین علاوه. Apart from this. One more thing. یو بل شیز. One more thing. I hate such people. زما داسې خلق بدی شي. I hate such people. Don't get yourself hurt. ته ځان مه خوږوه. Don't get yourself hurt. What a strange coincidence. څومره عجیبه اتفاق دی. What a strange coincidence. You did it right. تا صحیح وکړو. You did it right. Don't talk nonsense. بکواس مکوا. Don't talk nonsense. Mission accomplished. مقصد پوره شو. Mission accomplished. He is on the way. هغه په لاره دی. He is on the way. Don't take it to heart. پزړه یې مه اهله. Don't take it to heart. Tell me the truth. رښتیا راته ووایه. Tell me the truth. God knows who he was. خدای ته پته چې هغه څوک و. God knows who he was. His words have weight. د هغه په خبرو کې دم دی. یا د هغه په خبرو کې وزن دی. His words have weight. It will do. په دې به کار وچلیږي. It will do. I will stand by you. زه به ستا ملګرتیا کوم. I will stand by you. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.